Lapit ka pa. Hawakan mo siya sa likod.
Isang kamay mo ma'am.
Sa likod.
Hintayin mo lang yan ma'am. Huwag mo lang gagalawin niya pag dumede na siya. Oh, steady, camera. Good boy, Titan. Good boy. Come on.
Good boy talaga, dumete lang eh.
Item or damages. So everyone, you can take some pictures or video, but please turn off your camera flashes. So everyone, pwede po yung flashlight, pero yung pitik po ng camera flash.
And we have this. And for the teams, come here. Come here, dito kayong dalawa.
Okay, go there. Okay, go to kuya. It's okay. Okay.
But I'll show you something will become your money.
Wow. Oh, you go there.
Then this one on forward. So all of the price per Then also gold jar. Right,
Wow.
number 2 end, please. So end. Sprinkle. Sprinkle like this. And then look, it will pass. Then also gold jar. Pero
Jerry!
Ayan yung mabait daw yun.
Opo, ito po si Jerry. O, sige mo, selfie na po kayo.
Pinapakain na ba?
Yes po.
Let's go,
Jerry!
Ayan yung mabait daw yun eh.
Opo, ito po si Jerry.
Hi, Jerry!
Hello ka.
Pinapakain na ba? So it's a tiger. It's a tiger. Sorry.
Ay, dito na sa second row.
Okay, don't be scared. Okay, don't be scared. It's na matagat siya. Don't be scared. Matagat siya.
Sige.
Ay, smile daw. Smile.
Smile muna. Smile muna. Okay na, okay na, okay. Selfie na po kayo. Okay na po. Okay na po. Ayan o. Okay na po. Ayan o.
Mabait siya.
Selfie
Nasaan yung isa?
Selfie.
Baka
Baliktad.
dalawa lang ba yan?
yes po, si Tommy and Jerry po.
Ano, okay na po ba?
Okay.
Daddy. Ay, tita.
Jerry!
Nasa loob ba si Jack? Nasa taas.
Ito.
Ayan siya. oh.
Ayan o, ayan ako. Ha?
O, dito, Jerry, halika dito.
Ano, para malapit sa video mo.
Yan na yun natin. Pinagalit ni Kuya.
Jerry! Jerry!
Ayaw nila pala sinisigaw.
Oh, Jerry! Halika! Oh, dito.
Wait lang. Busing ka?
Po yung pinakaano po, bali 7 months pa lang po siya. Yung the rest po kasi doon is on training po yung dalawa po doon. Kaya hindi po namin masyadong pinapakita po dito. By the way, ito po kasi is
Pangalan ko.
Hi, baby.
bali sa pag 1 to 2 years old po.
Tara na, tara na. Oo. Ayun. Ayun o.
Pupunta saan? Sige, saan mo pupunta? Ayun yung crocodile. Oh. Eh, mag-agis ka naman. Oh.
Uy! Tignan mo, bilis tumayot niya.
May umakit na sa likod mo.
Daming nagsisilapit.
Ay, yung pinakamalit yung ulo.
Barangay yung maliit ang ulo.
Hindi na ba ako kain? Hindi na ikaw kain. Tara, tara. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Sabi, oh. Naantok na siguro.
Ako, ano to? Papuntay mo muna iba pa. Huwag mo harakan na eh. Lagi mo ha. Papuntay mo iba pa. Ako, ano to? Papuntay mo muna iba pa. Huwag mo harakan na eh. Lagi mo ha. Papuntay mo iba pa.
Natanggal, naputol.
Ala.
Loko.
Kaya.
Kuya, naputol na yung ano mo.
Daddy, wag mo na kasing ipilit dun.
Isa nga si Aki, hindi niya maano.
Ayan na. Ayan na. What? What? Gugutom na sila! What? Ako pagkain mo kung magkain mo.
Pwede ko ito, 50 na lang.
Ayaw mo. Bakit di mo magkain sila?
Babe, papakain ko na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na.
Ayan na, dadalhin na.
Hindi pa rin.
Sige, sige, ako na. Ako naman.
Si Mami naman, si Mami.
Kain na ba? Bigat.
Ayun, si Mami. Si Mami.
Pakain na natin. Dito na lang. Pakain na.
Video ko na si Mami. O, papakain na. Kung bibili tayo, bibili. Tara, bibili tayo ha.
Di pa rin nila ako. Kuntik pa matumba. Anak, hindi. Pakain mo na, kawawa naman. Sige, I'll buhat you. Sige, pakain mo na, ha? Okay, I'll buhat. Go.
Sige, pakain mo na. Ayun na.
Huwag mo lang bitawan yung stick.
Okay, pakain mo na. Pakain mo na.
Sumubawasan? Ito ba?
Parks, blending fun, artificial, and nature. Beatrill and Bird Park. Zura, soon as the rest of us need. Florida, together with our politicians, Namzi, They have natural scent, smells like fresh popcorn or pandan. They can live up to 40 years in captivity. Native to Australia's deserts, these fascinating lizards are known for their friendly personalities and expressive behaviors. They have a unique spiky beard and can live up to 15 years. The ancient royals once were ball pythons as chivalry. They're one of the smallest python in the world. They can the fire Burmese python. They can grow up to 80 to 20 feet long and can weigh 100 to 200 pounds. From Indonesia, say hello to our umbrella, an inverted umbrella. Males have bright green feathers, while females have bright red feathers. Among the Scops family, owls can rotate their neck up to 200 of birds that belongs to the Strigidae family, locally known as Coago or Bukao. Followed by our miniature poodle. We also have Aspie or Aso Pinoy. Next is our cute and lovable Golden Retriever. Dogs are known for their social beauty, loyalty, and emotional bonding activities, making them adored worldwide for their unconditional love, companionship, and keen understanding of human emotions. A round of applause for the Cano family. What are buffalos? They have albinism, which means the lack of acne on their bodies. Therefore, these beautiful animals are not advisable to take stroke, get blind, or worse. Also known as Oreo cattle. These hornless and medium-sized cattle are originated from Scotland.
May babies ka na. May babies ka na.
Snake trees. They can grow up to 5 feet tall. They're intelligent, curious, gentle, and social. They love spending time with people. Tigers have unique stripes that no two tigers are alike. They can grow up to 12 to 15 long, extremely thick, and can weigh 300 to 600 pounds. A round of applause for the pride of Zuni Safari, the Roaring Tigers! In the image of their creator, the guardians of its beauty. Fire, the element that shapes civilization to roaring flames. And now, be amazed to its raw power and artistry.